Welcome to AutoInstruct. In today's video, we're installing this awesome 034Motorsport rear sway bar on our MK7 Golf R. Now we're going to completely remove the factory end links, which are made from plastic. To do this, we need to remove this bolt here on the bottom and remove this one off the sway bar. To do this, you need to hold it with a M6 triple square in the middle and use a wrench to undo the nut. Now we're going to remove the sway bar brackets on either side. To do this, you need an M10 triple square socket. Now we're going to attach the sway bar brackets to the sway bar. First, we've got to lube up the bushings. So the 034 kit comes with this synthetic lube. So squeeze out the entire tube into the joint. Into the bushing, I should say, like so. And then simply stretch the bushing over the top on the outer side of this retaining bracket. Once it's in place, roll it around slightly. Then put the bracket over the top with the logo facing the same direction as the sticker. And it's ready to be installed on the vehicle. So now we're sliding the sway bar into position and using the new bolts, tightening the brackets into place. So we've now assembled the 034Motorsport rear sway bar end links, and we drop them into the lower control arm. And run the bolt back through. We'll then torque all 4 bracket bolts to 28 Newton meters. Thanks for watching today's video on how to install 034Motorsport rear sway bar and end links in your MK7 Golf R. To purchase this product and browse more tutorials for your vehicle, head over to autoinstruct.com.au.